Today I'm continuing with quilting the borders on this quilt, which is almost finished. And for the green border, I am doing another popular border quilt motif, which is wishbones. So I'll do a little video here of quilting wishbones. I make mine about an inch apart because I like to get things done quickly, so I don't really put them super close together. Okay, and when you come up to a corner, you want to stop like a little ways from the corner, and you're going to do a wishbone that goes like this. And sometimes it's helpful to do what I'm doing right now and just trace it out with your finger before you do it. And then I'm going to turn the whole quilt. And then carry on down the other side. Okay, so that's wishbones, and I will show you how I do feathers, which is a little different from how most people do feathers, I think, in the blue border. For feathers in my borders, I do them like little upside down hearts, and I go all the way down the quilt border like that. I know most people probably go like this, and then they come back up to the top and go down like this. But to me, that seems like I have to do it twice. So I do it this way. And the other thing I would say is remember to leave a 1/4 inch over here, because when you attach your binding, you're gonna lose that little piece of fabric there. So try to stay a 1/4 inch from the edge. This is the last border on the quilt. So, okay, here we go. Okay, and then when I get to the corner, I try to make my feather go right around the corner. So that's a little tricky because you have to turn the quilt as well, but I'll show it to you here. So I'm going to put a little bit, an extra feather over here. And then I'm going to turn the quilt. And I think I'm going to put an extra feather right here. And then come around down here. And then I'm just going to keep going down the other side to the next corner. Okay, so there is a closer look at these borders for you. And I'm ready to trim and bind this quilt, and it'll be finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Happy quilting!